Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SPONGEV2 token. Now this token is in the midst of their pre-sale right now. We're going to go over the SPONGEV2 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, missed Sponge's 100 times pump in 2023. Now's your chance. Buy and stake now to claim SPONGEV2 launching on a bigger, better exchange. Now, you can buy this token right off their webpage, sponge.vip, and you can go to sponge.vip/EN for English. And it shows you what stage of the pre-sale they're in, how many tokens are remaining. Right now, they have a lot of tokens left still. They got 16,678,638,540 tokens left. You can buy this token by connecting your wallet with Ethereum, USDT, or even a card you could use. They show you how to buy and stake if you don't know how to do that. It says, do you want to bridge your Sponge token? So the original Sponge token, it looks like you can bridge into the V2 version. And right under where it says connect wallet, it says if you want a bridge, just click there. Real straightforward. And then they have a full white paper PDF. It's an 8-page white paper, so it's not like insanely long or anything like that. This is obviously very much a meme coin. So yeah, you can go over their 8-page white paper and all the info on their webpage. They have socials, all sorts of stuff. So welcome to SPONGEV2, the relaunch and evolution of the original Sponge token. SPONGEV2 will merge the fun and engagement of our dedicated meme community with a unique staking model and new play-to-earn game to take the Sponge brand to the next level. Starting with an easy bridging process to launch a new token, SPONGEV2 offers a simple transition from V1 in the form of a pre-sale with a unique buy bonus and automatic staking system. So when Sponge token was first launched in the middle of the bear market in May 2023, it was during a period when a few popular meme coins had started pumping. Sponge's combination of meme coin whimsy, huge marketing power, and robust tokenomics led to a near $100 million market cap for Sponge and spectacular gains for early gem hunters. SPONGEV2 will launch at the start of the new bull market, so who knows how high SPONGEV2 can go. There's damp out there that needs to be absorbed, and there's only one meme coin that can do it right now. The goal of SPONGEV2 is to absorb all the damp with utility. So Sponge is making a huge comeback, bigger and more absorbent than ever before, and this time it's got added utility. We're bridging the V1 to the V2 by launching a new ERC20 token on Ethereum via the stake-to-earn method. So bridging from Sponge V1 to V2 will be facilitated via the staking V1 tokens. Any tokens that are currently in the V1 staking pool will need to be withdrawn and restaked in the new V2 staking pool. Current stakers, if users are staking original Sponge tokens, they must withdraw them from the V1 staking contract and stake them in our V2 smart contract to secure their share of the V2 token once it launches. If users are holding original Sponge tokens, they must stake them in the V2 smart contract to secure their share. Now, new buyers, if users don't hold any tokens, they can buy Sponge via the website widget. Purchase tokens will be automatically staked in our V2 smart contract to secure a share of the V2 token when it launches. So then they have important staking information that you can review on their page and their white paper. So they show you how to claim the tokens as well. They have the stake to bridge model. And so then they have the exclusive launch. They have the staking bonus. They have the permanent V1 lock and the passive V2 rewards. So they go over different periods of time for each one of those things. Which brings us to the new Sponge play-to-earn game. So they're bringing exciting utility to the new token. The team is developing a bespoke play-to-earn game that will add more fun and addictiveness to the Sponge ecosystem. Users can earn Sponge V2 tokens by playing the game and ranking on the leaderboard. There will be a free and paid version of the play-to-earn game. Users can have fun playing the free version, and then the credits allow users to play and earn more Sponge V2 tokens. There's going to be added utility, all sorts of cool stuff there, and they show Sponge in a little hamburger car, and it says vroom vroom. So maybe it'll be racing. Now they have a roadmap on here, starting with Phase 1. Sponge V2 announcement. Staking for Sponge V2 launched. Buy to stake for Sponge V2 bonus. Sponge game research absorbed the damp. Phase 2 of the roadmap. Claiming, listing, bigger and better exchanges, Sponge game development, 10,000 holders. Stage 3 is going to be Tier 1 central exchanges. Sponge game app launched, 100 million market cap, more social domination, and all the damp absorbed. Now, they have tokenomics on here. So basically how the token is split up is there is a total supply, first of all, of 150 billion tokens. 26.93% of the tokens are bridged, 43.09% staking rewards, 10% central exchange liquidity, 7.5% marketing, 8% play-to-earn rewards, 4.47% game development. And besides that, they have a marketing and community section. You can check out the disclaimer, but just go over to their webpage, check it all out, sponge.vip. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Check out the referral codes. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button or support on Patreon. And y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.